Hi YouTube, today I'm going to do a test with the Hoover Turbopower Freedom, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to choke the filter with all this flour that I put down so it'll have like barely any suction, and then I'm going to put some salt down to resemble grit and see if it can still agitate it and pick it up in one pass. So as you can see, the perma bag is empty and it's relatively clean. I mean, I didn't clean it out or anything. All I did was empty it and bang out the filter. So it should have good suction. So yeah, I'll suck this up and you should hear the machine go higher in pitch. That's because the filter will be clogged. So here we go, I'm going to use it on speed 2 and see if we can pick this up. So, oh my word, Jesus Christ. Okay. So, that doesn't normally happen that bad to this extent. That's because I'm sucking up flour. Jesus Christ. Completely covered. I'll have to give this a good clean when I've done this video. But anyway, I don't know if you saw it on the camera, but I could see it blasting dust out the side. That's how fine flour is. It doesn't usually do it that bad with just normal house dust, but anyway, we've picked it up, so I'm going to attempt to see if we can get this salt to agitate. Now for some reason the belt started to slip, so I'm going to put some salt down there. Now there is a dip in the carpet because the underlay is a bit knackered, which is there, so I'll put some here as well. So let's see what the damage is. Oh my word. Okay then. Okay, so that filter's quite choked and most of it's in the bottom there, but surprisingly it didn't really lose that much suction really. I mean, I'll see if it can lift the carpet near the end of the video. But I'll just put the camera here and see if this agitates at all. Hopefully that can support it. So, again, I'll use it in speed 2, so here we go. Okay, so that was one pass, and what's happened is most of it's gone, but there's a few bits left behind. But now we are completely coated with flour. I mean, I could smell that when it was sucking it up, so I'll try and put it in hose mode and see what the suction's like through the hose. Get the hose off. Okay. So it didn't really lose suction that much. The main issue was it's just blasting flour everywhere. I mean, look at it. That is going to need some serious cleaning. Hopefully it's not blown it into the motor there. But, God. Anyway, that does not normally happen, trust me. It does get a bit of dust at the side here, but it does not get that bad. It's just because I sucked up so much flour. But, anyway, it didn't do terrible at sucking this sugar up. It has left some behind. Sorry, sugar, salt. It has left some behind. But, oh well. So, that was a semi-fail. But, anyway, I'm going to go give this a good clean and then I'll see you in my next video.